Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new class in Android application development. In today's class, we are going to learn about tab host in Android. To give you guys an example for tab host, we have WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the main examples for tab host. This is because we are handling 3 activities within a single screen. We have the chat, we have the call, and we have the contact. So we can click and swipe between these 3 activities from a single screen. What we are going to do is we are going to learn how we can do that, okay? For that, I'm going to go ahead and create a new activity. I actually require 1 main activity and 3 separate activities. This is because under the tab host, we require 3 separate activities and then we require our main activity as well. So we can either select tabbed activity from here, but I'm going to make use of the empty activity, okay? I'm going to name it as tab demo. The name of my first activity is tab demo. There is one more specialty here. Our default activity, which is tab demo, inherits the activity called tab activity. Tab activity is a built-in activity in Java. So it is that activity that we are inheriting. All right, we also have to create those 3 screens we have to see in that single screen. So what do we have to do for that? We have to create 3 extra activities, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and create those 3 activities. So activity, empty activity. I'm going to name it as tab 1, tab 2, and tab 3 respectively. This is tab 1. I'm not going to do anything separately. I'm just creating those 3 activities, all right? I'm not doing any particular designs. We'll just drag and drop a text view. Again, empty activity. This is our tab 2. Then on to the 3rd. This is tab 3. Okay, so I have created all 3 activities. Now from our main activity, which is to all activity, I'm going to give a connection to this, okay? This is to be able to come to this page from to all activity. So we need to come to the design page. Go to the design page. And then in the design page at the end, we have to give a connection to the tab host. Right. For that, first, Android text to tab. Now we also need to add an on click for that. Oh, sorry, we have to give to tab over here, okay? To tab. And then I'm going to change this to tab host, okay? Tab host. Okay, since this does not exist, we have to create that method. And then we need to pass the intent.
Avodha promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land a job. Register now.